I couldn't find a recipe online for how to make Tigernut cheese, so I'm using like, I'm adapting a recipe for almond cheese, so this could be interesting. Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to be making a different kind of cheese. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't work, oh well, then you won't try it and I'll save you the trouble. I'm going to take our Tigernut flour and measure out 1 3/4 cup. Here's 1 cup, a 1/2 cup, and a 1/4 cup. To this, I'm going to add 2/3 cups of filtered water, 2½ tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use Tigernut oil if I have enough. I don't have enough. Well, we'll get 1 tablespoon of Tigernut oil in there. And then the other 2 medium chain triglyceride oil. What the heck? Liquid coconut oil. Also gonna add 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. I think that just a slightly heaping teaspoon would do. It's fine. And 1/2 clove of garlic, or you can just put a little bit of this freeze-dried stuff. If you don't feel like chopping garlic like me right now, I'm gonna just put like 1/2 teaspoon. Just to make sure I get this blended up real good, I'm gonna just kind of get in there with my immersion blender. Okay, nice and mixed. So here's another use for that nut milk bag. This thing really gets some good using here. We're gonna put our mix right over that. Also, before you do this, you could throw in some chives into this, chop up some parsley, any kind of seasoning you want. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna just stick it in the fridge, just like this, overnight. All right, so it's been a little more than overnight. I actually didn't have time when I woke up today, so I kind of let it sit there, maybe an extra 8 hours. Just put this right onto a baking pan. Look at that, oh my gosh, it looks so cool. It looks like a big old scoop of ice cream or something. It came right off, it's nice and solid. Now we're gonna bake this in the toaster oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, let's see what we got. It's been 40 minutes. That looks so good. Look at this. Look at that. So it's in a solid block, which is cool. By the way, I had this after the 40 minutes, the oven turned off, and then I just kind of was busy doing other stuff, so it actually had time to cool. Anyway, let's cut into this delicious baked Tigernut cheese and see what we have. Look at that. Ah! Oh my goodness. So it looks like bread. Let's see. Whoa. I kid you not. This is because this recipe didn't exist. I tried to modify an almond I can't even talk right now. I tried to modify a nut cheese recipe that was using almonds, or people do it with pecans and cashews and all. No one's ever done it with Tigernut, and Tigernut has more fiber than those other. All right, my point is I made bread. It tastes like sourdough bread. I mean, it's if you, it's like a soft bread. I wonder what would happen if you toasted this. It's got the spring. All right, so what we're gonna have to do is toast a piece and see what happens. Here it is, my accidental bread. Oh man, tell you what, it's got a sweetness to it. I wouldn't necessarily pile on a bunch of deli meat and, you know, make like a deli sandwich with this, because it's got that sweetness to it. I would say breakfast bread. I hope you like this video. If so, subscribe below. I put new videos out every Thursday. You can also find me on Patreon, where I post little clips of what I'm doing throughout the day, including meal prep and grocery trips. I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.